All set and ready to race. This is race number 3, Santana Park, Nai Cavite, the home of Sports of Kings, where racing is always at its best, and the rough. Early lead is taken by Humble Submission from the outside, and by the rail is Mami Look. And nearing the fat turn, the lead is taken over now by entry number 1A, and that is Ballet Flats. It's Ballet Flats leading the field by 2.5 lengths, followed by Humble Submission in second, and Mami Looks moving up on the inside and running in fourth. Is entry number 2, Pajama Strike, but it's still Ballet Flats by 2.5 lengths, followed by Humble Submission on the outside, moving up on the farther outside, Pajama Strike, and Mami Look moving up on the inside, Marisman Power. At the top of the stretch, it is still Ballet Flats in the lead, followed by Humble Submission, and on the farther outside is Pajama Strike, but it's still Ballet Flats in the lead, followed by Pajama Strike moving up on the outside, and Humble Submission, and moving up by the rail is entry number 1, Mami Look, and finally at the payoff line, Ballet Flats, Mami Look, Pajama Strike, Humble Submission, and Marisman Power.